In this video, I will show you how to set up a HubSpot form in WordPress. First, sign in to your HubSpot account and create a form if you haven't already. Go to Marketing, then Forms, click Create Form, customize it, and publish it. Next, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, click Add New, search for the HubSpot plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, connect the plugin to your HubSpot account by following the on-screen prompts. Once connected, open the page or post where you want to display the form. Click Edit, add the HubSpot form block, then select the form you created from the drop-down menu. Position it where you want it to appear, then save or update the page. Finally, visit your website to make sure the form is displaying correctly, and submit a test entry to confirm that new submissions are syncing to your HubSpot account. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.